just a quick tutorial. I don't want this one to go on too much. So we recently had our SkyKey box, our main 2TB box, changed in our living room. But this is on actually the mini box. So I'm going to show you something quick because I noticed ITV X was missing from the software had been updated. So I'm going to show you how to fix that if you may face the same issue, because there's not a lot of information on this. So what you want to do is go down to your main remote here, this one here. Press the home button, and then you want to go down to in this here, and you want to go down to the settings. Now on your remote, don't click in, don't press this in the remote, just press on the remote 001, then select. And you've got this little pop up here that says no change to be instructed by Sky. Ignore that. Okay, so what we want is, we don't want network, we want to go down to apps. I want to click refresh apps. Just click on to refresh apps, and it'll say request to refresh apps to be refreshed. Once it's done that, just literally once it's done that, because it can take a while for it to successfully do it with me, just press home on the remote again and go down towards your apps. In your apps, you should now see ITV X. It may not show you apps, it may, one or two may be missing. That's perfect normal, it does that because obviously it's still downloading the apps. For mine, it's worked perfectly fine, all my apps are currently there. But yeah, hopefully this video might help a few people out that have had to come across this issue, because it doesn't seem to be a lot of information out on Sky, so I thought I'd make a quick video just to give people an update on that sort of thing. So hopefully that'll help you out. If it did, leave a comment. I will read the comments, and hopefully it'll help someone out. Thank you.